Hi guys, in front of me is iPhone and let me show you how to set Mahadev Wallpaper on this phone. First of all, you need to download the picture. To do it, open your browser, then enter some stock, for example Unsplash or any other gallery with free pictures. Then enter the god's name, tap on search, choose the picture that you want to apply, for example this one. Then select the quality, tap on download free, tap on OK, and just wait a couple of seconds. So it is done. Now just click on open in, select save to files, tap on save in your left upper corner, and now it's time to enter the files. So provide files in search area, then pick Chrome and choose the picture that you want to apply. Click on share icon and select save image. Now it is redirected to your photos, so you can smoothly open photos, pick this picture and tap on share again. Scroll all the way down where you will find Use as Wallpaper. Mark it, and now you can easily customize it. So you can make it bigger, smaller. You can also tap on more. Actually, there is no option to make it a shadow one, so let's leave it this way. Then click on done, and now it's time to customize your home screen also. So just click on customize home screen, unblur it to see the picture clearly, and tap on done. So that's it. As you can see, it has been already applied and you can smoothly enjoy your brand new wallpaper. So that's it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.